Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our tutorial for this video is Edwardian spiral. And to start with, we're gonna use milk cotton yarn. This is mixed color yarn, darning needle, not necessarily only as you want, a 3.5 mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. First, we're gonna do a slip knot. Chain 10, join with slip stitch to form a ring. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and join by using slip stitch to form a ring. And to proceed to round 1, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, count as 1 double crochet and chain 1. Next, make 11 double crochet in a ring. Double crochet, chain 1, chain 1, and double crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, one more to make it 11, chain 1, and make slip stitch on the third chain here, our first chain 4. So on the third chain, make slip stitch like this. And to start with working rows, now we are in row 2, chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Next, double crochet in the fourth chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1 double crochet, and make 12 double crochet in the next 6 chain. So meaning to say 2 double crochet in 1 chain. One, two, three, 4, 5. Then for 12 double crochet in 6 chain. Next, make 1 double crochet in the next chain 1 space of round 1. So this one, the next chain 1 space from the round 1, like this. And to proceed to row 3, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. then turn your work. One double crochet on the 7th double crochet. So count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. One double crochet here, chain 1, skip one chain, the next chain, and make double crochet in the next chain. Make it 3 times. Chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain and make double crochet in the next chain. Now we are doing the round 3. Next, chain 4, turn your work. This chain 4 considered as one double crochet and chain 1. Make double crochet in chain 1 space here. Chain 1, double crochet in next chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet in the next chain space, and next in this chain 7, this chain 7 loop, make 13 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 double crochet, and make one double crochet in the next chain 1 space of round 1 here. Like this. So this is how we end up our row 4, and we're going to do 9 times of this row. I'll be back after the 9 row. We're done for the 9 row. So in this process, we're going to slip stitch in the 3rd chain of 13 chain as our beginner. Here, count here 1 2 and 3, make a slip stitch here. Okay, slip stitch and then turn your work. Make a slip stitch in 7 double crochet from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Next, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is quite trickery. Make a slip stitch in the turning chain here. We will do slip stitch in here. Like this, and chain 1, make double crochet in the next, skip the next chain and make double crochet in the next chain, like this. Chain 1, make double crochet here, chain 1, then skip the next chain, make double crochet in the next chain. So this is how we combine it. Next, chain 4, turn your work. This count as 1 double crochet and 1 chain 1. So make double crochet in the next chain 1 space here, chain 1, 1 more double crochet and chain 1 space, chain 1, and make double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And the last one, and for the last one, make a slip stitch in top of turning chain at outer edge of row 1. So this is the, we are preparing for this one. Make a slip stitch here, like this. So this is how we end up our Edwardian spiral. So this is how it looks like, our Edwardian spiral. This pattern or this project start with a round, this one, as you can notice, and then is work in rows here. That's all for our tutorial, and please consider to subscribe and i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify ka every time na mayroon akong mga bagong tutorial katulad nito. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.